Most of our projects, the construction needs to be completed between mid-May and August. We really have a limited construction window when we're working with athletic programs at schools. A lot of these schools are limited to the amount of space that they have or the fields that they have. We typically do not have an event over the summer months, so that gives us the window to build and construct these items. Spring sports, they last until the end of May. Fall sports, they basically start the end of August. So that gives us that window between May and August to start and build a lot of these fields and projects. A lot of times we like to try and bid the project early in the construction year if possible, January, February, even into March. We really do like to see 12 to 16 weeks of the design process and the approval time to be able to build these fields over the summer months. Starting design in August or before then. August, September, October, November, we'd like to try and see design. We'd like to try and see December for approvals. Bid opening in January, can start construction that following spring.